I'm loving these stories. Ain't that the way it goes here though? That is blowing my mind up. Hey Rockstars, it's Amara. A lot of the videos you see about convention culture are about a macro level. Here's a convention and it's vast and there's all these things to do. But there is a part of convention culture that's really very micro level. It's about person-to-person interaction and communities that build there. This particular VidCon 2018, while I was in the middle of hashtag 1K VidCon selfies project, I was told or part of stories about community building, people connecting with people through online video and VidCon. People's lives have changed because of things like this space that you and I have here. These are 3 stories of friendship that were built online or via VidCons. The first story is of these 3 gals, awesome ladies right here that I think are just super cool. I had not met any of them before and was just super inspired by the way that they've built friendship over the internet, and here's them telling that story.
I met Ava back on Twitter when I got followed by someone else. I'm like, oh, she makes YouTube videos, I'm gonna check her out.
Super cool.
And then we started talking more, and then we collabed last VidCon, and then I looked through the comments and this lovely bean was in it. And I was editing my vlog, I'm like, oh, can I use your song in my vlog? And then we just started all talking. It's like, hey, let's all go to VidCon together next year.
They're all from the US, but they live all over the country from each other. How inspiring is it that you could meet people in the comments of your video and then travel and meet new creators, and hopefully they'll see me next year, and it just goes on and on and on, and that is kind of the story of being an active, loving VidCon creator. How cool is that? You guys are breaking my heart. These are my new girlfriends. We're gonna go hang out. I really considered isolating the story because this one was so inspiring and so much what I really hope this community builds. On the first day of VidCon, I met the Starburst crew. We were just all people that happened to be in the same place at the same time while I was charging my phone. Hey Rockstars, I'm charging my phone. Why is that interesting to you? Because I'm making friends while I'm charging my phone, because I make friends everywhere. And we kind of just sat and talked and became this little crew, the Starburst crew. We've been eating candy. This is a Starburst. It's a Sweet Heat Starburst. Not spawns. Although Starburst, have you ever been to Seattle? We have coffee. It's a good place. You should come talk to me. I keep seeing kids in Starbucks eating them, and then they were giving them away. This one girl, she handed me like 4 packages of these Starbursts, and I'm like, what am I gonna do with 4 packages of Starbursts besides eat them on an airplane and freak out the world? And then I made friends, and then I was able to give them away, so I only have 1 package of Starburst, which is significantly less sugar in Amara and a way better situation for the planet.
Hi, my name's Adam. I'm on my own channel called Adam Now. I do filmmaking and creative videos to help people through my journey.
How do we feel about them? You guys like them?
Surprisingly hot. I didn't know it was hot.
You just didn't read the package.
I didn't read, I just
That's right. You like them?
Yes.
Guess what? She likes sugar. It's true. We've talked about candy a whole lot. Do you like them?
Yes, I did.
Yeah, we're having a good time at VidCon. Complete strangers making friends, eating candy, being weirdos. It's cool. And then it got even more amazing. I was working on my project and boom, I run into them and they're all hanging out together. It's such a treat for me to stumble into them, and I just so happened to be vlogging. I'm just walking around, it's day 2 VidCon, and I turn and I see this line of people. Hi! Did you guys see this line of people? If you were to go to my Instagram, actually I think I tweeted it yesterday. I told you guys about my Starbucks crew. Starburst. I keep saying Starbucks because this. My Starburst crew, and how we met, and like all of us didn't know each other, and I come and I find them and they're all hanging out together because we're cool, because now they're all pals and stuff. I love this world. I love you guys.
I love you.
This is so cool. You're blowing my mind. I am so shocked that all 3 of you are just like sitting here hanging out. That is blowing my mind up. Our initial kind of bonding of community resulted in all of them becoming friends. I love the idea of the rock stars in this community interacting with each other. So, you know, you're thinking to yourself, man, can I make friends when I go to VidCon? Yeah, you can make them over candy.
I love candy.
It's coming soon, her channel, all about some candy. You can make them while you're charging your phone. You can make friends anywhere. Community's where it's at, you guys. Make friends with people, be a little bit bold, and it's super worth it. Last story is about my friend Gian. We are friends from a previous VidCon, but we'd kind of just lost contact, and now we have this great new friendship that's kind of like reunited as a result of him telling me a story about making friends through YouTube that inspires him. Here's that story.
It's always been great meeting creators from different parts of the world, but sometimes you don't get to meet these people in conventions.
Yeah.
They've met a lot of creators online from different parts of the world. I've known these 2 guys that I decided to room in with, Playos in Orlando. I've known them for like a few years, but I haven't like met them. I've seen their videos like every freaking day. And we decided to room in, and I thought it was gonna be really weird and awkward, but no, I had like the funnest time.
So cool.
They're so cool. It's as if we know each other for like 10 years.
Yeah, it's
like,
not just the way though, you suddenly feel like you've known them forever.
Yeah. It's like, it's not awkward at all. It was so cool. I had the best time with these two guys. The guys like
So
from
good.
Germany and like Alaska, like they're like my BFFs on YouTube.
That's so cool. We'll get their links down below, his links down below. If you are looking to make the community your heart's always wanted, have you ever considered seeing if your people are on YouTube? Because they might be. Mine were, yours were, right?
Yeah.
So maybe yours are too.
Exactly. So
Alright.
create.
Yeah,
guys,
do
create.
it.
Yeah.
Get out there.
Change
do it.
someone's life.
Yeah.
And she just changed mine right now.
You
She just
too.
got me so excited
Aw.
about YouTube.
And now we're besties again.
Yeah.
We just met again, guys. Like just a couple minutes ago. Ain't that the way it goes here though?
Yeah.
Anyway, love you Rockstars. We're gonna go
It's the
meet
coolest
other
part.
people and build our lives out to all the awesome they're meant to be. You guys do
Subscribe
that
to her.
too.
She's awesome.
Subscribe to him, he's awesome too. Shout out to my Starburst crew, to the lovely ladies that I met at this VidCon. Thank you for sharing your friendship story with me. And my friend Gian, I am so glad we've been able to reconnect over this VidCon, and I've gotten to learn some of these great things that have happened to you, and I look forward to you and your fantastic wardrobe in the future. Don't forget to hit subscribe if you'd like to be part of the next adventure. We do all kinds of adventures here on Amara in Seattle. It's where adventure is a lifestyle. Go ahead and ring that bell if you want to get notifications. That's the best way for you to actually know when I put out new videos. I don't know why the system's this way, it just is. You could ask someone at YouTube and let me know, that'd be great. Let me know in the comments. And speaking of the comments below, tell me one of the coolest places you've ever made a friend that was maybe not somewhere you anticipated, as I'm always interested in building a community in all parts of my life, including here on YouTube. I thought I was done, and then I realized bonus content, kind of like a fourth secret story. A conversation that I had with my friend Ryan. I met a bunch of Australian YouTube creators when I was with a bunch of my friends at a Denny's, and it led to kind of becoming friends with Australian creators and the motivation to go to VidCon Australia. I'll actually link the video for VidCon Australia last year up above. Being super social is not for everybody.
I just remember Denny's last year.
Yeah.
How
Yeah.
you make friends with the random people.
Those were the people I just saw. That's who that group of Australians, that's who that was. I met them and then I saw them again when I went to Australia, and now we're like friends. We've hung out in malls and stuff. Oh, I love it. This is my passion. This is the passion place I found, and I looked for years. Rockstars, you guys keep doing what it is that makes you most happy and working toward building a life full of awesome people. Yeah. All right, bye guys. Ooh, Starbucks, what? Shout out to my Starbucks, I'm still doing it. My Starburst crew. Love you guys. Bye, Rockstars.